Time travel, a concept that's long been the stuff of science fiction, is starting to look more like a question of when rather than if. Have you ever dreamed of stepping into the past or leaping forward into the future? But is it even possible? Let's break it down. Time, as we understand it, is woven into the fabric of the universe. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time isn't fixed, it stretches and bends depending on speed and gravity. This idea gave birth to a phenomenon called time dilation. For astronauts traveling at speeds close to light, time slows down compared to those of us on Earth. This means that, technically, time travel to the future has already happened, but traveling to the past, that's where things get tricky and controversial. Theoretical physicists have proposed various models for backward time travel. One of the most famous involves wormholes, hypothetical tunnels through spacetime. If one end of a wormhole experiences time slower than the other, stepping through could send you backward. Sounds wild, right? But the math checks out, at least in theory. Then there's the block universe theory, which suggests that past, present, and future all exist simultaneously. If true, this would mean time doesn't flow. It just is. You're simply experiencing one slice of an already existing timeline. Still, time travel brings mind-bending paradoxes. Take the grandfather paradox. If you go back in time and stop your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, do you cease to exist? Or does the universe somehow correct itself? To address this, scientists suggest the idea of parallel timelines. If you changed something in the past, you wouldn't alter your original timeline, you'd just create a new branch of reality. This concept fuels many science fiction stories, but also finds some support in quantum mechanics. And here's where it gets even more fascinating. Quantum physics, the study of the tiniest particles, reveals that time might not be smooth and continuous. At the quantum level, particles can exist in multiple states at once. Some scientists believe this could hold the key to understanding and possibly manipulating time itself. In real-world research, scientists at places like CERN are studying particles that behave in strange, time-defying ways. While we're far from building a time machine, every discovery adds a piece to the puzzle. So, is time travel possible? Maybe not tomorrow, but the science is evolving fast. What was once pure fantasy now has a seat at the table in serious physics discussions. If you found this mind-expanding, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. And tell me in the comments, if you could time travel, where would you go, past or future?